Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag ASP.NET C# tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create website using multiple master pages in ASP.NET C#. So first step is that how to create the website. So there is Open Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Then click on the file, new website. The next is pop-up will come. So left panel, you have to select the Visual C#. So we are using the Visual C#, so use the Visual C#. If you are using Visual Basic, so you can select the Visual Basic. Next, in middle panel, just you want to create the empty website or you want to create some with the layout, so you can select that. And bottom one, if you want to change the name of the website, so this will come with the website, then some numeric number just like 5 6, whatever the number will come. So you want to change, then you can change the name of the website. And when you click on OK, so it will create in the Solution Explorer, means it will create on the Visual Studio, and right side in the Solution Explorer you can see the your website. Now if Solution Explorer is not visible, then we'll open with the view option. So main thing is that what is the master page. So master page ASP.NET master page allow you to create a consistent layout for the pages in your application. A single master page define the look and feel and standard behavior that you want to all of the pages or a group of the pages in your application. So it will allow, means whenever we'll create the master page and it will include the master page into my pages ASPX pages, so it will give you the layout. So whatever the layout changes with the master page, it will change the layout for the all the group of pages, whatever the will link up with the master page. So go to the step one and open the Visual Studio. So this is my Visual Studio. I'm going to create one website. So go to the file, new, then website. Then I'm going to empty website. So I'm selecting in left panel, I'm just selecting the Visual C#, then empty website, and in bottom this is website 2. So I'm going to change the name with that, and this is for the multiple master. I'm just giving the name for that, multiple master test, clicking OK. So see, in Solution Explorer, the master page is created. Only one page is created, that is web config. Web config page is the configuration file for the application. So this master page, multiple master test application is created. If Solution Explorer is not visible, then go to the view and click on the Solution Explorer, it will be visible. Okay, so right click on the your application name, go to the add new item, and here see where is the master page. So just search the master page. This is my master page. So master page extension is .master. Just remember that master page extension is .master. So I'm creating the master page. This is master page 1. So I'm just clicking on add. So master page is created. This is my master page. So it will define by the master, then inherit the master page. So a code file will be the master page.master.cs. This is my code file. Whatever the database connection and backend code we want to write, we can write in .csv. So this is my first master page, and with that I am going to create one page 1. Same method. I will just go through the right click on that and go to the add new item and give the name for the web form. This is my, just assume that home page. So I'm just going to the code, place code in the separate file and select master page. If you uncheck this one, it will just want to include the master page. So I want to include the master page. So for that, just click on this button and click on add. So you will get a pop-up. On here you can see the master page. So if there is a multiple folder, then just click on the folder, whatever the folder contain the master page. So click on that, and right side you will get the content. So there is a master page, I'm including that. So see, this is with the master page. Let me create one page without master page and we'll see the changes. So right click on that, add new item. Yes, I'm creating without master page. I'm not selected. So see, in this page consists the page, then it have all the HTML starting code to ending tags, like HTML starting, HTML ending. And if you are including the master page, just like I included the master page, the home page, so there is an HTML is not starting here, because there is a consist of the content placeholder. So just remember that content placeholder, it places the code in the master page, and the place where we have a content placeholder. So this is my master page, and here one content placeholder ID is head. So this ID, whatever we want to include on the master page, just like we want to include the .cs file, js file on the particular page, just like home page consists of the some extra cs, so that cs file or will js file will write here. And if you want to create more content placeholder, you can take the content placeholder from the toolbox. Okay, so there is a content placeholder, so we can take it from there. And next is, there is a one content placeholder in middle inside the body. Okay, so whatever we can change the body, in body part we can write the content inside the this content placeholder. So I'll give you the example with that. So without master page, I'm deleting this page for now. Okay, so this is my the master page, this is my master page. So here in master page, I'm going to write in this one like home page, multiple. So I'm giving the heading for that, and in home page I'm just going to write welcome to page. Let me run that. Right click on that, or you can click over here to run into the Firefox. There is a drop down is there, you can select the your output. So first time it will take few seconds more than expected. Yeah. Welcome to home page. So now welcome to home page. Let me create one more page. Okay. So I'm creating one more page. About us. I'm going to include the master page here. Add master. Okay. Here I'm going to use one division tag. Hello about us, and same code I'm going to place here, and hello home page. I'm writing this. Now, as I told you, if I write some CSS for that div, I'm going to write the internal CSS. So div, I'm going to write color is equal to, take the color red. So let me run the about us page. See, red is coming, but if you go run the home page, you refresh the home page, this is black only, because this CSS is written on my about us page. And if you click on the control U, you won't get any code here. But if you in about us page, if you click on the control plus U for that, so you will get the style sheet here. Means that on the same page we can write we can call the two types of CSS, one from the style. So that CSS should be written in the content placeholder head ID. Now I want to create this tutorial for the multiple master page. So I'm going to create one more master page, and this master page I'm just creating the menu. Just assume that I have a menu like creating anchor. Okay. Chirag. Leave it for now. So home page there, and creating one more, that is control plus space. It will give you the all the list of the pages about us. So let me refresh the pages. So I can see the home page about us. I can link the pages. Okay. So now I'm going to create one more master page. So right click on the application, add new item. I'm going to create the one more master page. If you want to inherit that this master page with the previous master page, that also available here. So I'm not going to inherit that. So including that, so click on the add. So this is my second master page. Now I'm going for the one more page, that is a contact us. Contact us. And going to include the page, select master page, and there is a two master pages now, so I'm going to include the second master page. Control save all, and here I'm going to write contact us. Let me run this page. See, in this page I'm not getting the menu. Actually, I'm getting the previous page, home and about us. In this page I'm not getting. So reason is that this page is not included with the master page one, and this page, this master page, we don't have the menu. If I'm going to write the menu here, well, there is a just assume that I have written the contact us only, so it will give the contact us only, contact us list only. So like that, we as per your need we can create the master page. Sometimes we have a large menu style or slider on the master page, home page, and other pages we have the small header part. So for that also we can create the multiple master page. Or regarding after integration of template, I will show you how to create how to use that, means small header and large header for the including the master page. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.